Hello, welcome to Learn Photoshop. My name is Felix Blakes and I'm going to walk you through these tutorials. In this lesson, we are going to learn how we can sharpen a blur image. Okay, so without wasting my time, I want you to subscribe to our channel first, then click on the bell button, like the video, and let's move on. Have you finished? Okay, then grab your image, get your blur image. I'm going for my blur image, so I'll just go here and look for my blur image. Check again. Seems all right. So this is my mom. The picture looks too blurry. So in order to do this, let me make the picture fill our canvas before. So I will stretch Control T for that. Then look at something. I'll just stretch the image. But before stretching your image, don't forget, whenever you stretch a smart object, you maintain the pixels. So if your image is not in a smart object and it is in a rasterized image or it is rasterized, then make sure you convert it to smart object before you stretch in order to maintain the pixels. You get the point? So I'll stretch this. Very good. Now let me zoom in very well. Can you see the image? It looks too blurry. Okay. So zoom out. Alright. So what I'm going to do now is I'll make a copy of this image. So Control J, two copy of it. So this is the original image. Okay. So I'll rename this original. Then sorry, original. Okay. Then I'll call this background or say normal background or normal. Then I'll call this vivid. So what we are going to do now is the first the vivid layer. Okay, so with this one selected, go to image, then go to adjustment and then invert. So in order for you to do that, you can press Ctrl I to invert it. So Ctrl I. Then we have this ghost like image here. Because my image is a smart object, we have these filters here, meaning that we can adjust the filters anytime. Okay, so we will not do any adjustment here. Now the next step to do is convert this one. This one is a vivid layer. Now go to normal and look for vivid light. So we have this vivid light. So all these areas are gray and you can see some parts with some kind of light. So we are going to blur out the gray area to sharpen the image. So select this one, then go to filter, then look for Gaussian blur. This is our Gaussian blur. Now increase the blurriness. The blurriness shouldn't be too uh, much, because if you blur it too much, look at something, it's going to be too hard for you. Okay, it's going to be too hard. We don't want it that way. So let's set it to 5, something like 5, so that we can see the image. So as you can see, these areas are going to be sharpened. Okay, so let's say okay. Now from here, select the background and then vivid layer. Hold the Control key, select this, and then press Control J to group it. After you have grouped this, change the blending mode from pass through to overlay. Then boom, we are done. Now let's check something before. You get the point? Before, look at the blendness. Zoom in, look at it well. Before, after, everything is in there. Before, after. If you think it is not okay, you can still do adjustment, because our this vivid layer is in a smart object, so we can manipulate the Gaussian blur to, let's say, 3, and it will reduce the sharpness. You can increase it and it will increase the sharpness. You get the point? So look at something and it will be more sharpened. So It's all about or how to sharpen a blur image, remove blurriness in just a click. Thank you very much for watching these tutorials. I want you to subscribe to this channel and then like, comment, and let's. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment and I will reply you within 24 hours. My name is Felix Bliss. Thank you for watching this channel. Bye bye.